to the Maak Art channel. Let's draw Bluey and her mom. Today we want to draw Bluey together. Bluey has a new story this time. We will draw the Bluey's mother. A ball here. And we will draw a window. It seems that something happened. It's like Bluey has done something wrong. What do you think happened? Go to coloring. We use blue and yellow colors for Bluey coloring. And then we use yellow, red, and orange colors to color Bluey's mom. Also color the ball. Well, now we will color the cartoon. And finally, we color the glass with this blue. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.